Hi, this is a short presentation that introduces the model used in NVPath for storing data. Biotransformation data stored in NVPath are organized in packages, containing these defined data objects: pathways, compounds, reactions, rules, and scenarios. Packages contain pathways, which are constructed with compounds and reactions. Packages also contain rules and scenarios. Rules is a set of biotransformation rules used for pathway predictions. Scenarios is a set of objects where each of them contain additional information associated to pathways and compounds. Relative reasonings are prediction models built using information from a selected set of packages as model training data. Settings are objects that contain a set of configurations. They are used along with relative reasoning in a pathway prediction process, starting with a chosen compound. Groups are used to organize user access to biotransformation modeling data. Access to biotransformation modeling data objects are granted to groups, while users can gain access to data by being assigned to these groups. Thank you for your attention.